Hello friends, so today I'm here. I'm your coach today. So my name is Memuna Sheikh and you can see my ID Build Legacy with memuna.com. So I here to be explain you guys how I'm making my passive income, what my side hustle, what my side business, what I'm doing actually. Today I'm going to explain you. Let me introduce myself, how I started this business. So my name is Memuna Sheikh. I'm mother of 4 kids, 2 daughter and 2 son. And as you can see me now, as a woman, the 4 kids, it's not easy to take care of them, and I'm a single mother staying in USA, but I'm from India. When I started my own work, I is very busy schedule because I working 5 days to complete my 40 hours, but still I'm not take care of myself and my kids and my bills. But I'm tired. One day, one of the my I'm a CNA by profession. One of my residents introduced with me the social media platform and the Build Legacy program. So one day I just go and hear it, and she just explained me, do this thing and do this thing. So when the social media platform and online things come, this is and go through can maybe scam, maybe it's fake and all. But when I go through for Build Legacy program and attend the webinar, 2 3 webinar I attend, then I decided, okay, no, I want to be stay at home and take care of my kids, and I want to make money in only just in a 2 days for $900. So I am too much encouraging, and I get some kind of confidence. Okay, no, I'm ready to face the camera, and I have so much fear. When I am enter to Build Legacy program, the programs teach me, they start zero to me as a social media platform. I don't know anything about it, but this program is teach me, and I am today to be coach and explaining other women and supporting thousands of family how to build your own passive income. So today I'm here. Anybody have any question, you can go through for my profile, you can check my bio, you can put your email ID, you will get the information step by step. Right now I am promoting 4 digital product that will call Launchpad, Daily Pay and Build Legacy program. So I am today with the Build Legacy program for $900, but the program have 4 different type of product. You can say you can promote on online for just 2 hours in a day. If you have the 2 hours day for the continuously, if you day, you will make your passive income in a day. So if you have any query, if you watching my videos, so thank you so much for supporting. If you seeing me, to subscribe my video for more information. Thank you.